Next one. Our next topic is evaluation of integrals with region given. So how will you integrate an integral whose region is given, not giving the limits? Limits തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടാവില്ല, region മാത്രം തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. So evaluate double integral over r x square plus y square dx dy over the region bounded by x plus y less than or equal to 1 in the first quadrant. So first of all, we have to draw this or mark this region. It is x plus y less than or equal to 1. So what is x plus y is equal to 1? So how will you draw x plus y is equal to 1? Just putting two values, x raised to 1 and y raised to 1. So this is a straight line. Okay. So if x is 0, y is 1. If y is 0, x is 1. So 1, 0, 0, 1. So we are connecting the 1, 0 and 0, 1. 1, 0 is in the x-axis, 0, 1 is in the y-axis. So connecting these 2 points, we get a straight line. In the first quadrant means this is the region. Less than or equal to 1 is below that or the left hand side of this line. Okay. So in the first quadrant means it is bounded by this axis. Okay. So the shaded portion is the region. Now we have to find the limits. For that, first of all, the region is like this. This is 1, 0 and this is 0, 1, x-axis, y-axis. So this is the region. So to find the integrals, two ways are there. First, either we can take the outside integral, outermost integral along x direction, or the outermost integral along y direction. Okay, so in both two cases, we can find the answer. Okay, so first of all, we will discuss how we evaluate if by writing the outermost integral along x direction. So outermost integral along x direction means we have to outer x, we have to consider vertical lines, and to get the outer integral along y, we have to consider horizontal lines. Okay, so please remember this one. Outer, to get the outer along x direction, vertical lines are taken. Outer integral along y direction, we have to consider horizontal lines. Okay, so vertical lines means for this region, consider the vertical lines at the extreme points. In the region vertical lines are considered. So these two are the vertical lines at the extreme points, leftmost and rightmost points. Okay, so what is its equation? In the equation, it's this vertical line is the y-axis, or its equation is x is equal to 0, and this vertical line is passing through the point 1, 0. So what is its equation? Its equation is x is equal to 1. So these are the limits for x. That's all. Find the draw the vertical lines at the extreme points of the region. So we get the, and find its equations. So we get the outermost integral along x direction. So x from 0 to 1. Kind. Next we have to evaluate or find the integral limit with respect to y. For that, we are taking any one strip inside the region. Draw any strip. That means we are taking the what this mean is, we are considering all the strips, vertical strips inside the region between these two ends, from this end to to this end. Okay, so we are considering all the vertical lines or vertical strips inside the region from the ends. Okay, from the vertical lines, between the vertical lines. Okay, so considering any one strip, so this is the height of this strip, and which is the lowermost point that touches on the x-axis. So what is its equation? It is y is equal to 0. So just draw a vertical strip inside the region and find its ends. So that means lowermost point and uppermost point. So the lowermost point is touching on the line y is equal to 0, and uppermost line is on this line. What is its equation? It is x plus y is equal to 1. The question. Okay, so its equation is x plus y is equal to 1. So what is y? So y is 1 minus x. So the limits for y is, we are getting from this height, that is y is equal to 0 to 1 minus x. Okay, ഇതിനകത്തൊരു സ്ട്രിപ്പ് വരയ്ക്കുക. ആ സ്ട്രിപ്പിൻ്റെ രണ്ട് എൻഡിൽ നിന്ന് നമുക്ക് വൈൻ്റെ y ലിമിറ്റ് എഴുതാം. So this is one way, that is to find the that is here we are writing the outermost integral along x direction. So another way is that we can find the value of the integral by writing the outermost integral along y direction also. So for that we have to consider horizontal lines. So this is the another way. No need to writing both the steps. You need to write any one of the steps. You can consider either vertical strips or horizontal strips. not both. Okay, so yeah, I'm drawing this one again. So 0, 1 and 1, 0. So this was the region. So horizontally, think all the strips or vertical lines horizontally, not in the vertical. Okay, so horizontal strips means, first of all we have to consider horizontal lines at the extreme, bottom and top. Okay, so these are the end or boundaries. Okay, boundaries at the horizontally thinking the boundaries. Okay, so what is this equation? The lowest, the top bottom line is x-axis. That is, equation is y is equal to 0, and the topmost point is touched through the point 0, 1. So what is its equation? Horizontal line. Equation of a horizontal line is y constant. Okay, equation of a vertical line is x constant. Then its equation is x plus y is equal to the slanting line. Okay, so what is the limit for y? These extreme horizontal lines at the top and bottom points of the region, we get the limits for y. That is, y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. Okay, next we have to write the limits for x. Okay, so for that, draw any horizontal strip inside the region. And what is its ends? These are the ends. Okay, here vertical lines we are finding the height wise, that is bottom and top points. Here the leftmost point and rightmost point. So its equation is, this is the y-axis, so x is 0. This is on the line x plus y is equal to 1. So what is x? X is equal to 1 minus y. Okay, so it is 1 minus y. So the limit for x is 0 to 1 minus y. So if we can integrate in either any one of these methods, or by that is by taking either vertical lines or horizontal lines, both answer will be the same. Okay, so no need to writing both the steps, write any one of. Okay, okay, so here, that is what I have written here, considering vertical strips. So x from 0 to 1, y from 0 to 1 minus x, the function is x square plus y square. So x square plus y square dy dx. So first of all we have to integrate with respect to y, because here I have considered vertical strips, or the outermost integral along x. Okay, original strip എടുത്ത് ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. Then with respect to y integrating, integral of x square is x square y, integral of y square is y cube by 3, y from 0 to 1 minus x. And substituting the limits, x square into 1 minus x plus 1 minus x the whole cube by 3. Okay, then integrating, opening the bracket, x square into 1 minus x, that is x square minus x cube. I didn't expanded this term, 1 minus x the whole cube. Okay, just writing this one. So integral of x square is x cube by 3, x cube is x raised to 4 by 4. And what is the integral of 1 minus x the whole raised to 3? So I have imagined this 1 minus x as some capital X. So what's the integral of x cube? It is x raised to 4 by 4. Okay, so that is 1 minus x the whole raised to 4 by 4. But before that, you have to take the derivative of the term. I have assumed. Okay, so 1 minus x I have assumed as some x, so its derivative is minus 1. So divide by that minus also. Okay, so applying the limit from 0 to 1, if x is 1, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. If x is 1, it is 0. Then minus of lower limit, x is 0, this one 0, 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So 1 by minus 1 by 12. And opening the bracket, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 12. So 12 is the LCM. 4 minus 3, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 by 12, or it is 1 by 6. Okay.